I'm Bishop David Allen Hall. I am the prelate of Tennessee Headquarters Ecclesiastical Jurisdiction. I'm running for the office of General Board. I am a lifelong member of the Church of God in Christ, in fact, a third generation. My grandfather was preached out of sin and into Christ by Bishop Charles Harrison Mason. My father was a renowned evangelist and pastor, the Elder Cleophas Hall Sr., and I myself have been in the ministry for more than 40 years. I served the Church of Bishop Mason, Temple Church of God in Christ in Memphis, Tennessee, and I have likewise dedicated myself to the church. I want you to know that my slogan is that I'm a man who has worked to strengthen the institution. Everything that I have done has been dedicated to strengthening the Church of God in Christ. And at a time like now, a time that we live in, when this world is being devastated at every level by wars and the rumors of war, these in fact are perilous times. And I think that a charismatic, Pentecostal, sanctified gospel is something that we need to echo throughout the world, in 50 states and in the 70 countries that we are in. Yes, the Church of God in Christ has a mandate to be that pillar of holiness and righteousness. I represent that, and I want to represent you. I've traveled the world. I have preached and ministered in so many places around the world: Africa, South America, in the Caribbean. I've studied the Jewish and Israeli conflict in the Holy Land and spent weeks over there on both sides of the issues. I'm a writer and author. I've done a number of things to help strengthen this institution. And I want you, if you will, to consider the fact that I'm ready, that I'm prepared to serve the General Board. I would like to be a part of that team, that executive team that will guide this institution that I've worked to strengthen, that we commonly love and share. Yes, I'd like your vote. I'd like you to consider me, Bishop David Allen Hall, for candidacy to the General Board. Elect me in November 2016, and I guarantee you that I will continue to serve as I have. I have worked to strengthen the institution. Thank you.